Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the ArraySize function. It retrieves the number of elements that an array contains. First I'd like to declare an array named prices. It's going to be a dynamic array, and next I'd like to resize this array to hold 5 elements. Next I'd like to print its size, which will be 5 of course, and I'd like to populate this array using a loop. For each iteration is going to multiply I by 1.5, which means that on the first iteration is going to return 0, on the second iteration is going to return 1.5 because I will be 1 multiplied by 1.5 and so on. And in the end I'd like again to use similar loop that goes from index 0 until the last element of the array, which is index 4 because we have 5 elements in total, and it's going to print each of these elements, which are these values here. So if I move back to MetaTrader and run this script, you can see that the size of the array is 5, and this is the information for each element of the array from 0 to 4. Usually you'd like to use this array. Most often you use it inside this kind of loops where you'd like to access information for each element from the array. And the ArraySize function provides information for the total numbers of elements in the array. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.